Welcome to our channel, where we uncover the secrets to successful deal-making. In this video, we're diving into the art of negotiation and sharing some powerful techniques to help you master this essential business skill. Let's get started. Tip number 1, prepare. Do your homework on the other party, understand their needs, and identify your own objectives. Armed with knowledge, you'll have the upper hand at the negotiation table. Tip number 2, active listening is key. Pay attention to verbal and nonverbal cues and show genuine interest in the other person's perspective. By listening carefully, you can uncover valuable insights and build rapport. Tip number 3, aim for win-win solutions. Instead of viewing negotiation as a battle, strive for mutual benefit. Look for creative compromises that satisfy both parties and forge long-term partnerships. Tip number 4, patience is a virtue. Avoid rushing the negotiation process. Take your time, gather information, and stay calm and composed. A patient negotiator holds a position of strength. Tip number 5, know your walk-away point. Determine your limits and alternatives before entering the negotiation. Having a clear understanding of your bottom line helps you make informed decisions. There you have it, negotiation wizards. These powerful techniques will elevate your deal-making skills to new heights. Remember, preparation, active listening, win-win solutions, patience, and knowing your limits are the keys to negotiation success. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more business insights. Now, go out there and seal those deals. Until next time.